Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will delve deeper into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, November 10, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 7, 2023, our system has ranked Apple as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.28. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We've seen some natural fluctuations in the stock, resulting in a gain of 2.52%. This means that on average, the stock has returned 0.63% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in a wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this would indicate a good selling opportunity. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $186.84, it would give a strong buy signal and suggest a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -2% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -12.60% to -1.77%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a 32.21% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 19.96% to 50.02%. This means that the price could range from $223.61 to $279.63 after a year. Our latest update on Apple brings us some exciting news: Green Day on Friday for Apple. The stock price of Apple experienced a positive gain of 2.19% during the last trading day, which was Friday, November 10, 2023. It rose from $182.41 to $186.40. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.65%, reaching a low of $183.53 and a high of $186.57. Interestingly, the price has been on the rise for 8 out of the last 10 days, showing a significant increase of 10.81% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded has also increased, aligning with the price movement, which is a positive technical sign. In fact, 12 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in a total of 62 million shares being bought and sold, with a value of approximately $11.54 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Apple stock reached $198.22, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the price is 5.96% below the 52-week high, which corresponds to a difference of $11.82. Furthermore, it is 18.34% below the all-time high, which occurred on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. This means that the current price sits at $41.86 lower than the all-time high. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James upgraded Apple to an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, UBS assigned Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. Also on Thursday, November 2, 2023, Evercore ISI upgraded Apple to an outperform grade with a hold action. Barclays rated Apple as equal weight with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, November 2, 2023, Wedbush upgraded Apple to an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have unanimously given Apple stock a strong buy rating. They have rated the price-to-earnings (PE) ratio and price-to-book ratio as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Apple's stock. The Apple stock is showing positive signs as it holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock will find support at $181 and $175.54. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 11.69%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The volume is also rising along with the price, which is considered to be a positive technical signal. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to consider in your trading strategy. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is currently showing a buy signal. The pivots indicator generated a buy signal 12 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicator flashed a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 8 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average generated a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 5 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 52 days ago. For more signals and insights, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. When it comes to support, Apple has found it at $177.56, with accumulated volume backing this level. This means that if the stock price tests this support level, it may present a buying opportunity. In such a scenario, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. Moving on to risk, Apple tends to have average movements during the day. However, with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. This means that while there is some level of risk involved, it is not unusually high. Let's look at the recent price movements. In the last day, Apple's stock moved $3.04 between its high and low, representing a 1.65% change. Over the course of the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.54%. Before we start discussing the potential trading levels for Apple, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is often seen in established companies with predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Apple's Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for Apple's earnings in Q4 2023 are at $1.39. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Now, let's take a closer look at some important day trading levels for Apple. In the case of an upward trend, Apple's first resistance level is set at $187.65. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its initial support level at $177.56. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, with the expectation of a rebound in the future. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were made by Condo Chris. He bought and sold a total of 22,274 shares or options in the company. Looking at the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -21.604. In total, insiders have purchased 2,317,906 shares and sold 3,785,262 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $179.80, which is a decrease of 3.54%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 11 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? While Apple holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. Instead, it should be considered as a hold candidate or one to accumulate in this position, as we await further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 13th, we anticipate Apple to open down by 90 cents and commence trading at $185.50. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend speaking with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your target for this stock as well. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Wishing you a successful day of trading from all of us here at Stock Invest.